Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another beginner-friendly, affordable human hair glueless pre-cut lace wig. If you're interested in seeing how I got this gorgeous look together, then just keep on watching. So today's video is brought to you by CurlyMe. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. We're gonna start off with some unboxing here. This is the wig, a gorgeous water wave texture, very similar to a wig that I reviewed recently. This is a 4x6 closure wig. It does not come with any combs, but it does come with an adjustable elastic band. So, as I told you guys, I recently reviewed a wig from a different company that looked just like this, like specs and everything. So I decided to wear this one today as a side part. And I'm going to be wearing this one right out the pack too. And I'm going to be doing a little bit more to it than I did with the other wig. I'm going to be tweezing the hairline. I'm going to be diffusing the curls a little bit at the top. And I'm going to use my foam to be my temporary adhesive. So with the pre-cut lace wigs, we love them, we do. But a lot of times with those pre-cut lace wigs, they have a little bit too much lace on them. So I tend to go into the hairline with my cuticle scissors and I trim more of the lace back so it just doesn't look, you know, as detectable. So I would recommend doing that. And I went ahead and tweezed the hairline on this wig a little bit more. It does come pre-tweezed, so if you don't want to do that, you don't have to, but just doing those little touches is going to make your wig look even more natural. So I did those little things and this install looked so good. So I took my Nairobi foam and I put that directly onto my hairline on top of my lace. And I'm just gonna kind of swirl that in there. And then I took my melt band that came with this wig and I went ahead and put that on top of my hairline, on top of that Nairobi foam that we just placed down. And while I am diffusing the curls, I'm just gonna let that, you know, marinate so it looks more melted and everything. So I'm gonna take my Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse and I'm just gonna put that at the top of the hair because I am gonna like mold that side part. And some of the curls did kind of frizz out a little bit, and that's to be expected, especially if you're manipulating and molding the top of your hair. So I really didn't have to do that on the length of the hair, just the top part. And I'm gonna take my diffuser attachment and my travel size blow dryer that I got from Amazon. And I'm gonna start to diffuse the hair and I'm gonna let you guys. So while I'm diffusing the hair, I'm going to read the specs for you guys. If you use my code Brittany at checkout, you will save 20% extra off on this wig. So I have the 20 inches in this wig. The other one I reviewed was 24 inches, so that's the difference there. This is a shorter version. This is their water wave glueless pre-cut lace and pre-plucked hairline wig. So this is the Mongolian texture, is 20 inches as I told you guys. 180% density with that beautiful water wave texture. Of course, pre-cut lace and pre-plucked. And this is like an on-the-go kind of wig, so this is very convenient. It has that real invisible HD lace, and it has a 3D dome cap to fit different size heads. I have a large head, and this is very comfortable. And this is like a 5-minute install. Now, once you do all that extra stuff that I did, like the foam and diffusing the hair, it's gonna take more than 5 minutes. But the point is, it's supposed to be very convenient and very beginner-friendly. Now, I went ahead and took off my melt band and boom, look how laid this is. And this wig is still glueless. All I used was that foam and it gives you that like melted look without actually using even a temporary adhesive. So it looks really good. So I took my excess contour and I put that on top of the lace to, you know, tint it a little bit and make sure I didn't have any ashy spots or anything like that. And I'm just gonna fluff out the hair. And that's pretty much it for this wig. This is so easy. Now, I personally prefer curly wigs because I think once you set the curls and let them dry or diffuse them, you're done. You don't have to use hot tools. And curly wigs are for summertime. I feel like that's the look for summertime. So if you're looking for a summer wig that is easy and beginner friendly, and gorgeous like this, definitely check out this wig or the wig that I reviewed from another company this week. They're very similar and they have a lot of the same like technology and everything. Very beautiful. And look at this glueless. It's glueless, but it's so melted and laid. It's so beautiful. And I really like the side part with this wig. Even though this is a closure wig, it still gives you that full like frontal look. But with the frontals versus closures, the closures tend to be less expensive, of course, because you're using less lace. And of course I did a sunlight test for you guys, and look at this. Like, this is what it looks like in front of a window in my house, and this is what it looks like outside. This is the real deal right here. You just, like I said with my other video, the only thing you have to do that is hard is tinting your lace to match your complexion and making sure your lace looks good outside and everything. So this is a win overall. Very easy. The lace looks good. The curl pattern is gorgeous right out the pack. This is a win. Now I haven't washed it, so I don't know if it like excessively sheds during the washing process, but you will get some shedding. That's just something to expect. But overall, this is a win. Shout out to CurlyMe for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.